This video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla Model X glove box not opening. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you to guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then click on Model X since this is a specific Tesla model video, okay? So click on Model X and then choose the language you're most compatible with, and then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the storage areas drop-down option, right? And then proceed to click on interior storage. Here, you'll find a bunch of options about the interior storage for Tesla cars, like the center console or the glove box, which is what we're going to be talking about in this video. So I want you to have a good read through this section here, okay? And if that helps you with your problem with opening the glove box, that's great. If it doesn't, I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. So the first fix I have for you is to use the touchscreen. The Model X glove box doesn't have a traditional handle. It must be opened through the touchscreen. Try this. Go to Controls, Glove Box, and tap the button to open it. If your car has a pin-protected glove box, enter the pin when prompted. The next fix is to try a soft reset. If the touchscreen button doesn't work, perform a soft reset. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen restarts. Once the system reboots, try opening the glove box again. The next fix is to check for software updates. Go to Controls, Software, and see if an update is available. If Tesla has issued a fix for a software-related issue, installing the update might resolve it. The next step is to manually open the glove box, right? So if the touchscreen method doesn't work, try this manual approach. Gently press along the edges of the glove box to see if it's stuck due to pressure or misalignment. If you hear the latch clicking but the glove box won't open, lightly tap on it while pressing the touchscreen button. And lastly, if nothing else works, just contact Tesla support. You may need Tesla service to diagnose and fix the potential latch issue. You can schedule an appointment through the Tesla app. So, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.